Hi, this is Marty from Blue Lightning TV. I'm going to show you how to quickly make a great looking emblem of your initials. Go to File, New, and make your document 1000 by 1000 pixels with a resolution of 150 pixels per inch. Double-click your background and we'll rename it Base. If your foreground and background colors aren't black and white respectively, press D. If the black and white colors are inverted, press the double curved arrow or X. To fill the layer with black, press Alt or Option plus Delete. To fit the document on your screen, press Ctrl or Command plus 0. Go to View and make sure Rulers and Snap are checked. Press Ctrl or Command T to call up your Transform tool, go to the left ruler, and drag out a guideline to the center. It'll snap in place because we have snap checked. Go to the top ruler and repeat, then press Enter or Return. Click on the New Layer icon to make a new layer, and call up your Ellipse tool. At the top, choose Shape, and make sure the fill is empty. Make the stroke 70 pixels. Click on the stroke color box, and click on the icon on the right. Choose a color. I'm using 187 AFF. Click on the gear icon and make sure Circle is selected and From Center is checked. Click on the center and drag out a circle. It immediately created a ring filled with the color and thickness of the stroke we chose. To get rid of the work path in your image, open your Path panel and click anywhere in the empty gray area. Open your Layers panel, click on the FX icon and choose Bevel and Emboss. Choose Inner Bevel, the technique Chisel Hard, and the depth 100%. Make the direction down and the size 177 pixels. Make the angle 110 degrees. Click on Stroke and make the size 2 pixels. Click on the color box and choose a lighter version of the previous color. I'm using 6B AAFF. Call up your Type tool and open your Character panel. If you don't see it, go to Window and choose Character. I'm choosing a font called Add Speedy, which you can download for free at urbanfonts.com. The font size is 325 points and the color is white. Type out your letters. To move the right letter down, highlight it and slide the baseline shift to the left. To bring the letters closer together, click between the letters and press Alt or Option plus the left arrow key. To reposition them, call up your Move tool and move them. If you find your letters are trying to snap to the guidelines, go to View and click off Snap to disable it. Click on the FX icon and choose Bevel and Emboss. We'll make the style Inner Bevel and make the technique Chisel Hard. The depth is 100% and the direction is up. We'll make the size 8 pixels, the angle 110, altitude 30, and keep global light checked. Click on Gloss Contour and click on the gear icon on the right. Click on Large List and choose Ring. Click on Stroke and make the size 2 pixels. Click on the color box and choose the same color as you did for the stroke of the ring. Click on Drop Shadow and make the blend mode multiply and the color black. Make the opacity 60% and uncheck global light. Make the angle 145 degrees, the size 0, and the distance 40 pixels. Close the Character panel and click on the Adjustment Layer icon. Choose Gradient. Make the style linear, the angle minus 130 degrees, and the scale 200%. Presently, the gradient adjustment layer is affecting all the layers beneath it in the Layers panel. We want it to affect only the text layer. Hover your cursor between the two layers. Press Alt or Option. When you see a clipping mask icon appear, click down. This moves the adjustment layer to the right, which indicates that it's adjusting only the one layer beneath it. Click on the adjustment layer icon and choose Solid Color. Pick the same color you used for the ring. Clip the adjustment layer. Go to your text layer and press Ctrl or Command as you click down. This makes it into a selection. Go to Select and Save Selection. When the window appears, click OK. Let's merge all the text layers together. With your top layer active, go to the text layer, press Shift, and click on it. This highlights all the layers. Then press Ctrl or Command plus E to merge them into one layer. Open your Channels panel, go to Alpha 1 and press Ctrl or Command as you click on it. This makes it into a selection. Open your Layers panel and go to Select, Modify, and Contract. We'll contract it by 15 pixels. To hide the selection, press Ctrl or Command plus H. Let's bring out the gradient colors more. Call up your brush tool and make your brush fairly large. I'm choosing 300 points. I'll make the hardness 0%, the blend mode linear burn, and the opacity 15%. Now brush a horizontal stroke once over the top of the letters. Invert your foreground and background colors by clicking on the double curved arrow or pressing X. Change the blend mode to vivid light and the opacity to 25%. To make your brush size larger, press the right bracket key. Now brush a horizontal stroke once over the bottom of the letters. Press Ctrl or Command plus D to delete the selection. Let's make a composite snapshot of the image and place it on its own layer. To do this, press Ctrl Shift Alt E or Command Shift Option E on a Mac. The last step is to give it a diagonal highlight. Make your brush size a bit smaller and brush once diagonally down from left to right across your entire emblem. Using these simple techniques, you can make anyone's initials into a great looking emblem. This is Marty from Blue Lightning TV. Thanks for watching.